If your heater or air conditioner is acting weird, it might be because two wires are accidentally touching inside a wire nut, and that can totally mess up your system's fan or compressor. So, here's the thing with those wire nuts. You want to make sure there's no extra copper hanging out where it shouldn't be. When wires touch inside, it can cause the fan or compressor to turn on and off at the wrong times or not work at all. Grab a flashlight and carefully look inside the wire nut to spot any stray strands of copper poking out. If you see any, loosen the nut, trim the wires back a bit, and strip them again so only the right amount of copper is exposed. About a ½ inch usually works. Twist the wires tightly together before screwing the nut back on so they stay snug and don't short circuit. Also, avoid over-tightening since that can damage the wires or nut, making things worse. If you're unsure or not comfy doing this, calling a pro is always a smart move. Keeping your thermostat wiring neat helps stop random fan starts or compressor failures, saving you money on repairs. One of the biggest thermostat wiring mistakes is leaving too much copper exposed inside the wire nut, which causes shorts and makes your system go haywire. Fix it by stripping just enough wire to fit neatly inside the nut without any loose strands. Another common issue is twisting wires poorly before capping them, which can lead to poor connections. Twist them firmly together first to avoid this problem. Lastly, reusing old or cracked wire nuts can cause loose connections, so always swap in fresh ones to keep everything secure and safe. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to heating and cooling fixes. It also gives contractors a chance to connect with people who really need their help on projects like these.